Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Piet. You're watching Piet J. Cooper the Model Builder, and we're going on with the Countach build. I've got some more stages, 22 to 27, yep, which is pack 4 to me. And let's get straight into it, because I haven't got a lot to tell, but that this is from D'Agostini. Okay, we've got these panels to put in right here and on that side and right there. That one, and now we're going to put some A screws in there. So those are all A screws, as I said. Then we're going to get that one out. We can put it on like so, and then put some more of those same screws in, probably. This is the only thing, with all the screws, it's totally, completely, utterly guessing whether or not you've got the right screw. This seems to be okay. And luckily I've got a whole box of screws from previous builds, so it will be okay. As you can see, it's in there, right. And that stage, which stage was this? 21 done. We're going to the next stage. So I'm going to put that to the side and have a look at 22. Oh, I'm pretty darn happy with that. That went in one go. As you see, we put that on from stage 22. Don't know if there's more to do in this stage. No, we're going to 23. Wow. I don't know if you can see that most probably. There's a hose in there already. We put that golden part in there. There we go. We put that one in as well. Let me see if I can see. I can make it more visible. That part has just gone in. And we've got 2 parts left. I'll put that into the cockpit. And we're going straight to the next stage. I don't know what about this, but I don't think it's a piece of plastic that is left over from another stage or from the sprue. '24, we're going to do a tire again. This one isn't too neat, but I'm not going to change it because we're going to be putting it away. They're not telling us to do it, but we have exactly 2 screws here, so I will put it in. There you go, with an A screw from underneath. And that's another stage done. And I think that was 24. We're going straight to 25. If you have the 24 shipments subscription, you would go to the next spec. So this is stage 25, yeah. We've got some parts and they've made those belts for us already. 225. Forgot about the brackets and didn't look properly. So we're trying to do the other one. That's better. That's what I should have done at the other side. Push it and not put everything through, but most of it. Okay guys, that is in. As you can see, these are in. Right there. Then we're going to get those with the golden things on. That is in as well. And then we're going to put it through the hole which is nearest to the side. So that one. Then we're going to get that one out. Okay, we've got those in. We've got that cable in and that cable in. This wouldn't fit properly, so I glued it. Hope I don't have to do something with it a little bit later on and untighten it. But that is this stage done. So I'm going to leave it here and see what we're doing. Okay, this is how it more or less should look. Can you see those cables in there? This one going to the lower of the two holes, this one going to the higher, this one from the master cylinder to that back. And for the rest of it I don't see any other. And we put that reservoir on top of it. Then we're going to put that wheel in that we already did. And then we're going to put 2 screws in the corners there to put that little bracket in that we put in. I will screw it in. Screws go in from underneath, as you can see, this little bracket here. And then those little things are hooked on the little Lola. Hooked onto those there. And that's another stage done. We're going to put that one in to that point, those points there, with the red wire to the middle of the car and the silver one of the red connector. And then we take those E-screws out. Love this build, guys. It's becoming a really nice one. Wow, this is not an easy one. You need to push it through to right there, and this one will go on this will go through the hole in the back, and then from the negative through the bracket that we put on top of it there into that little hole that is there. Can you see that? There's a little hole there right in front of that thing that we just put in. On the positive connection on the battery, it will go through the last hole that was out there. The horns are in there, in that corner. We've got these last parts from 16. We're putting that back, and then we're putting a screw in there, of course, which is a flange screw, and that's the E-screw that we had. And we've had this one before, so I don't need to note it down. Oh God, really, guys, this was I'm putting it all here so you can see it. Funny thing is, we're not doing anything with stage 27, nothing at all. And I've done that. Yes, there's really nothing else to do on this. It's a bit odd, but this is what we have at the end, and that from the previous stage. And I've done enough for today. It's 5 o'clock in the evening, so time to stop and get myself a beer and have a look at Wayne at 9 o'clock. On this beautiful Thursday. It was sunny today, and it is cloudy now, and it's, of course, it's dark, and you may see that I'm quite tired, but nothing on the hand, no problem at all. Okay, guys, this one is done. I've stuffed the frontal part up a bit. I put the things in the wrong position, but I must say that these build guides are not very clear. It starts with the screws that they're pulling out numbers and not letters that they put on the bags, which I find a little bit strange. It would have been so much nicer if they put the numbers in there in some way, or the letters in there some way to help you with that, because it's ridiculous that they're telling you 2.3 times 6 and then that you're getting an H instead of those numbers on the bags. But that's all right. Okay. I love this build. We're going on. Pack 5 should be on its way quite soon. Pack 6 is on its way as well, but I'm having a little bit of a problem with my forwarding address in Germany. But I hope to do them soon. If I've got those in, I'm halfway, and I've only got 6 more to go after that. Please have a look at my channel. So have a look around on my channel. I've got quite a few builds. This one is really nice. This one is a bit irregular because I'm not getting them in periodically, or I do get them in periodically, but then DHL doesn't want to deliver it because of their whatever rules, which is a bit strange because I chose to use that address. De Agostini chose to say yes to that address, and they're being paid just to deliver it, but they're not doing it. But with that, I'm saying thank you very much to you, especially who's still here at the end. Please like, subscribe, and pass it on, and join me next time on any of my other builds. Thank you very much, and maybe see you tonight.